Imagine this. You're a freelancer, juggling invoices, tracking expenses, and stressing about keeping everything organized. Or maybe you're a small business owner, drowning in receipts and yearning for a system to streamline your finances. This is where QuickBooks comes in. It's a popular accounting software that helps you manage your money, create invoices, track expenses, and generate reports. Basically, it's your financial superhero. But here's the catch. QuickBooks can be expensive, especially for beginners just getting their feet wet. So, the burning question is there a free way to learn QuickBooks without breaking the bank? The answer, my friend, is a resounding yes. While there's no completely free version of QuickBooks itself, there are plenty of fantastic resources available online that can equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to become a QuickBooks whiz, all at no cost. Let's dive in and explore the best free avenues to conquer QuickBooks. 1. Unleash the power of YouTube. YouTube is a treasure trove of free QuickBooks tutorials. From beginner-friendly crash courses to in-depth explorations of specific features, there's something for everyone. Look for channels run by experienced accountants, bookkeepers, or even QuickBooks itself. Here's what to keep in mind when choosing a YouTube tutorial. Version compatibility. Make sure the tutorial covers the specific version of QuickBooks you plan to use. QuickBooks Online or desktop. Versions have slight differences, so choosing the right one is crucial. Instructor style. Find an instructor whose teaching style resonates with you. Do they explain things clearly and concisely? Are they engaging and easy to follow? Content depth. Consider your existing knowledge. Are you a complete beginner, or do you need a refresher on specific functions? Choose tutorials that cater to your skill level. Here are some highly rated YouTube channels to get you started. Intuit QuickBooks Self-Help. This channel, provided by QuickBooks itself, offers a comprehensive library of tutorials on various QuickBooks features. Hector Garcia CPA. Hector Garcia provides clear and concise tutorials on QuickBooks Online, perfect for beginners. SkillSite. SkillSite offers a wide range of QuickBooks tutorials, covering both online and desktop versions. 2. Explore free online courses. Many platforms offer free online courses on QuickBooks. These courses typically provide structured learning paths with video lectures, quizzes, and sometimes even downloadable resources. Here are some popular platforms to check out. Coursera. Coursera occasionally offers free introductory courses on QuickBooks. Udemy. Udemy offers a wider selection of free and paid QuickBooks courses. Be sure to filter for free options. Allison. Allison has a free course on QuickBooks Online Basics that's perfect for getting started. 3. Dive into official resources. Intuit, the makers of QuickBooks, offers a wealth of free resources on their website, including QuickBooks Help Center. This section provides in-depth articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides on various QuickBooks functionalities. QuickBooks Blog. The blog features articles, tips, and tricks on using QuickBooks effectively. QuickBooks Video Tutorials. In addition to the YouTube channel, the QuickBooks website has its own library of video tutorials on specific features. 4. Embrace free trials cautiously. Many platforms offer free trials of QuickBooks Online. While you can't use the software indefinitely for free, these trials can be valuable tools to test the interface and explore some core features. Here are some things to remember when using a free trial. Set a timer. Mark your calendar with the end date of your trial to avoid getting charged for a subscription you don't need. Focus on learning. Use the trial period to explore features, set up your company file, and practice basic tasks. 5. Leverage the power of online communities. There are several online communities dedicated to QuickBooks users. These platforms allow you to ask questions, connect with other users, and share your experiences. Here are some examples. Intuit Community. This official forum by Intuit allows you to connect with other QuickBooks users and get help from product experts. Facebook Groups. Several Facebook groups focus on QuickBooks users. Join these groups to ask questions and learn from others. Online accounting forums. General online accounting forums often have discussions dedicated to QuickBooks. Remember, While free resources can equip you with valuable knowledge and skills, there's a learning curve to mastering any software.